I am Dr. Nathaniel Sase. I am a neurologist working in Wanless Hospital, Miraj, and I am the director of the Wanless Hospital, Miraj. Epilepsy is a very common neurological disorder, and there are so many bad things spread around because about this disease, mainly thinking that this is a curse of God which occurs in people. But let me tell you that this is a common disorder which occurs in 1 to 2% population of the country, and there could be different presentations of this epilepsy, and there are many different causes. The causes may differ according to the age of the patient, starting from the genetic causes in pediatric age group to even a cerebrovascular accident presenting as epilepsy. Depending upon the causes, the investigations also would differ, and these investigations have to be tailored according to the need of the patient, history of the patient, age of the patient. But the common investigations would be electroencephalogram, which would record the activity of the brain cells and will be able to tell us about the diagnosis of the patient. The other common investigation is a CT scan, which will tell us about any structural damage to the brain causing epilepsy. There are certain patients who would need an advanced investigations like MRI brain, which could help us to diagnose the patient properly and treat the patient accordingly. This is a disease, as I said, which can present with different presentations, the common being the generalized tonic and clonic seizures, where patient can just have a aura and then they will start throwing their limbs. They may fall, they may injure themselves, and then suddenly their breathing may become heavy, and then eventually when the attack of the convulsion ceases, they may lose consciousness for variable period of time, and they may regain their consciousness afterwards. And as they regain their consciousness, they may have post-ictal some presentations like having a confused behavior. They may not be aware about their surroundings for a short period of time. They may have a frothing in the mouth, and they may have a tongue bite, or they may pass urine in their clothes without they being aware about it. As the presentation changes, there could be different presentation in different parts of the brain which are affected in these diseases, like the other part of epilepsy called as temporal lobe seizures, where there could be different presentations, being unaware about the surroundings, and they may lapse into unconscious state. So, to summarize, the patients may have a varied presentation for epilepsy, and they may have different causes according to age groups. There could be structural lesions in the brain which may lead to epilepsy, or there could be even a normal CT scan or normal MRI of the brain without leading to any a structural, or without pointing towards a structural cause for the epilepsy. There is an advancement in the treatment of epilepsy, and the newer drugs do not cause lot of side effects which were known with the earlier medications. The treatment is very safe. This is a disease which can be controlled and cured in many cases. I appeal to all the population that if you have any patient of your known in your known surroundings, ask them to approach a doctor, get the patient investigated and treat the patient properly so that the patient can be cured. As an awareness of this particular day, I request all the population to follow the guidelines which have been given by the doctor take the treatment properly, have a follow-up regularly so that you could be cured of your disease.